Pulse School on RealAgriculture.com is brought to you by BASF.
Hey, Kara Oosterhuis here with RealAgriculture.com. I'm back here today with another Pulse School episode, and I have here with me Jagroop Kahlon, who is with Alberta Pulse Growers. How's it going today?
Hi, very well.
So today we are talking about your plot to field program. Do you want to kind of tell me about what that is?
Yes, for sure. So we have started working with large field scale experiments since past, I think this is the 5th year. So we have brought up different kind of experiments that we wanted to conduct research on farms, so larger farms as cooperatives. So as I said, this is the 5th year.
Awesome. So, what are some of the goals of the program?
So why we started this was because this was coming to us from our larger community, wanting to do more research on larger scale. Plot research and smaller plot research is very adequate for some type of research, whereas some of the research work, if done on the larger scale, can actually show you more genetic and environmental interactions much better, and you're able to conclude the research on a way larger scale. So it can go hand in hand, as well as it can answer you some other questions. So since it was coming to us from the community, we wanted to try it out.
How many different sites are there across Alberta right now?
Well, this year we're testing 2 different experiments. So I have 18 sites. So 9 of them are intercropping. So we're looking at pea and canola. Can they be grown together? Is there a benefit for fertilization and whatnot, input costs and all of that? And then I'm working on lentil seeding rates as well.
So any results so far from the trials?
It's only year 2 of this particular experiment. So we're trying to see what can we leverage, what can we learn, what can we bring, on the table for intercropping in general. So we have different people who are layering their own experiments on our canvas, I would say. So for example, we have Dr. Maya Evenden, University of Alberta entomologist. She's looking to see what kind of pathogens, what kind of predators or useful insects and all sorts of problem insects for canola and pea can be found on intercropping, and how they are kind of like interacting with each other in this setup. So that's one thing. There's also Dr. Linda Gorham, who's looking at how the light penetration is through the canopy when you're growing 2 crops together. And other than that, we as Alberta Pulse are trying to get our own LERs, the language equivalent ratio, how the yields pan out, is there a benefit of growing them together type of thing. And for the lentil seeding rate, it hasn't been done in the past so many years. It's an older research, so we're just trying to see if it's still valid in today's day and age, if the seeding rate that is prescribed is still working for us.
So steps going forward for this program, or do you have any ideas?
Well, as I said, we've done it for the 5 years now. There are results available on the website from our older experiments, and we have more participants every year, and we're asking people to participate more, as well as bringing on every partnership that we can to come and use our canvas for your own research questions.
Okay, and how do producers get involved if they're interested?
Well, contact me.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you.